quite a bit of time, but if you're a newbie like me, I think this is going to be worth it. So let's go ahead and open up that valve and let's watch the red portion of our candle get started. It's working so far. It's definitely helping making the candle even. I didn't do any scents. I just wanted to test it out without a scent at first. This blue light does pop up, so that's when you know the valve is open. One thing I did notice with this, when it was heating up, my red light kept going in and out. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen. If you have one of these, let me know in the comments. Right, so all of our liquid is out. There is some red color in here, so I'm going to clean that out before we do the blue portion of the candle. Maybe the white portion of the candle. I think blue on top would look the best. It does say that we are going to have to let this cool overnight. We'll see you tomorrow. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Our candle has cooled overnight. Now it's time to remove it from the mold. It says to remove the stopper at the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. Remove the stopper. Oh, it just slides right out. That was easy. Take our knot out. And there's our candle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.